Good morning, all. It's Fun Friday. So be ready to share the writing prompt at 8:30. After Spanish, we will meet together on Zoom to take your Savas Realize test. So make sure you have your username and password available. After you complete it, you will then go into Seesaw and complete your spelling test. When we meet at 10:45, we will do 2 lessons on Nearpod. You will then copy notes in your math notebook and take a picture of the notes to send through Seesaw. Make note on this last slide of the classwork PowerPoint, I have extended the project of the week on landforms to be due next Friday, so that it's not due today, next Friday. Since we have not gone over paragraph writing in this class this week, I decided to extend it so we can do paragraph writing next week. On Monday, we will be on Microsoft Teams for our classes and not on Zoom. I pray that this transition will go very smoothly. So guys, let's make it a great Friday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.